this is Swati. Welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your hair transplant clinic. Now, let's say that you have recently opened this hair transplant clinic and you are advertising through Facebook, which is a very renowned social media application. Now, since it is so renowned and you can connect with the world, you are getting a lot of leads. And what do you want? Every time there is a new lead generation, a WhatsApp message should be shared with them along with the link of your brochure, new offers, etc. so that you can enhance your online presence. Now, to do this manually, it is definitely possible, but it is a lot of time-consuming process. And it is hectic also because you will have to take the leads and details and then write a message, then attach the link and share. Now, what if I tell you that this process can get automated? All you have to do is you have to integrate these two applications in such a way that every time there is a new lead generation, automatically a message will be shared with them along with all the details you wish to add. Now, how do you do this? With the help of Pabbly Connect software, which is an integration and automation software where you do not need any coding skills, and in just few steps you can integrate these applications and automate the process. How do you do this? Let me take you to my screen and show you the step-by-step process.
So let's begin the process. The first thing that we have to do here is we have to type the URL pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, it will take us to the landing page of the software. Now here you have got two options. If you already are a user, you can simply sign in. And if you are a new user, then you can sign up for free. Now here, since I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. And as I do that, it will take me to the all apps page. Here, since I'm doing the integration using Pabbly Connect software, I'm going to click on access now. And now this has taken me to the dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see a create workflow tab. Let's click on that and a dialog box appears that is asking you to. So let's give this workflow the name Facebook to WhatsApp. Now I'm going to click on create here. So why did I give this name? Because I'm going to integrate these two applications, Facebook and WhatsApp. As we do this, this particular window appears in front of us where it has got two events, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are basically those two important concepts, those principles on which this entire automation works. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So here I'm going to choose my first application, which is going to be Facebook lead ads. As what do I want? I want that every time there are new leads generated via Facebook ads, a message should be sent to them on WhatsApp. So here the trigger event would be new lead instant. And as I do this, I'll have to click on connect here. Now, Pabbly Connect is asking me to connect Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on add new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now the thing is, I have already logged into my Facebook account. So that's why it authorized it successfully. So you can do the same. First you have to log into your Facebook account and then you can follow the same process. Now here you can see it is asking you for the page lead generation form. So I'm going to take you to my Facebook page now. Here you can see this particular icon. So this is for the pages. I'm going to click on this. And there are multiple pages created already. So I'm going to click on hair transplant clinic because this is my subject. Now we are going to go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So now here we are going to map this data for page as we click on this drop down and I'm going to write hair transplant. So yes, my page has appeared here. And with the same, the lead generation form has also appeared here. Now, since there is only one form, so as I click here on the drop down, I'm just getting one response. Otherwise, you can have multiple responses as well. And it has also generated a page access token. Now, after successfully subscribing for instant notifications and Facebook lead ads, this workflow will begin listening to the response. So now what we are going to do is, here we are going to click on save and send test request. Now it is saying that it is waiting for webhook response. Now we have to basically generate a dummy lead on our Facebook lead ads campaign using the lead ads testing tool created by Facebook. We will create a dummy lead and we will see that the details will be received on Pabbly Connect as well. Why? Because Pabbly Connect and Facebook are integrated. We are going to switch to the Meta page, Meta for developers. So the ID is developers.facebook.com. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to My Apps and then I'm going to click on Tools. And as I do that, I'll come down and you can see Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. So I'm going to click on this. Now as I do that, we are using this tool to test if our API has been properly integrated. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the page. So the page was Hair Transplant Clinic. So let's look for that. And we are going to go down to check if it is here. Yes, it is here. And then I'm going to select the form. So there's single form. So that's why the form has already been selected. Now I'm going to click on this preview form. So here you can see that the form is asking us to fill in the details. So let me fill in my details here. So I'm going to write it as demo@pabblytuts.com. Now let's write the full name. So let it be demo name. And now the phone number. So I'm going to write a phone number and click. Now let's write the full name as demo name and let's write this phone number and click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. Now here it is saying that you're all set, and now to see if the response has been collected by Pabbly, I'm going to go back to my Pabbly Connect account. And yes, here you can see that the response has been collected. This is the email ID, this is the full name, phone number, etc. Now this says that our first process of integration has been completed. Pabbly Connect has successfully integrated with Facebook. Now the next process that starts is the next action. Now what is the next action? So what do we have to do? We have to send all these leads WhatsApp messages where we can send our brochure and share all our offers and everything with them. So here the next application that I have to select is WhatsApp Cloud API. Now Facebook, or should I say Meta, have recently launched their own WhatsApp Cloud API. So we have selected that. Now we have to select an action event. What do we need here? We want to send template messages. So I'm going to click on send template message and then click on connect. Now here Pabbly Connect is again asking us to connect WhatsApp Cloud API account to Pabbly Connect. So we are going to click on add new connection. And as I do that, here it is asking us for three things: token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account. So now since I already have created my WhatsApp Cloud API account, so I am going to have all these details required to make the connection. But if you do not have this WhatsApp Cloud API account, so do not worry, because we have a separate video and with all the details about how to create this account. So the link of the same will be given in the description box. You can go there and you can get the entire idea. Now this information we are going to get from developers.facebook.com, the Meta developers page. Here we have to go to My Apps. And once we go there, I'm going to click on my Connect Message app. That is an app that I've created already. Now here I'm going to go to WhatsApp. You can see it here. And then I'm going to click on Getting Started. As I do this, all the information that was required to make the connection, you can see that it is available here. The temporary access token, then the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now this is very important for us to understand that this particular access token is only for 23 hours and after that it will expire. If we'll go back to this Pabbly Connect page, here you can see that how you have to generate your permanent token is very well explained here. So we'll click on here. And then here you have got dedicated videos to see how you can set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and also how to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. So in case of any doubt, you can just simply check these videos. So once you have generated the token, all you have to do is paste your token ID here, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and then click on save. And once you have generated your account, then you can simply click on select existing connection. Now here, once you have done that and it is connected, now it is asking for the template name. So what is a template name? Templates are basically pre-generated WhatsApp messages that you are supposed to send or share with your clients or leads. So now here, if you will go back to the developers page, you can find all the templates. And if you wish to create your own template, so you're here, step 2 says that you can click on this hyperlink here. And as you click on the hyperlink, it has taken you to the message templates page. Now here we have created a lot of message templates, and if you wish to create your own message template, you can simply go here and click on this blue tab, create message template. Also, here in the description box, we are sharing a video link where you can see how exactly you have to create a message template. Now I'm going to select the template that I have already created, and it is send brochure final. As I click on this, here you can see that if you wish to add any image or video or document as the header, basically here we wish to attach a brochure, so we can simply attach a document, and as you go down here you can see the body of the text. Now this body of the text says hello, and then you have some numbers in curly braces. Now these numbers basically show that these are variables. So every time there is a new user with a different name, of course, so we wish to write the name. So here these numbers, these variables can be changed every time. So here finally we have a message hello, and then the name can come. Thank you for showing your interest in. Then there is another variable where you can give the name of your company or organization. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer. For more details, you can visit our website, and then there's another variable. So this body variable which is here you can give the name of your website, then you have thank you and regards. Now, this particular message can totally be customized. This is just a message template. And once it is there, it is going to come like this. So this is going to be your WhatsApp message. Now this is just the preview. Here will be your header. And then, hello Akash. Suppose the name of my lead is Akash. So hello Akash. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Connect. Now Pabbly Connect is the name of my company. One of our team members will contact you shortly, and then the message in last. For more details, you can visit our website, and then the name of the website is there. Thank you, regards. Now we'll go back to our Pabbly Connect page, and here we are going to select the template name as send brochure final. Now the language code is this, and selected template ID is this. Now we have to write the recipient's mobile number. How do we do that? Here we'll have to map the data, but here it is saying, like, as we map the data, I'll show you the number in the format it is coming. So as I go down, so the number is +91 and the number. But what is it saying? Here it is saying that you have to write it with country code but without the plus sign. So here as I go up, I'll have to add one action step here. And in this action step, I'm going to select my application as text formatter, and then the action event as split text. And then I'll click on connect. As I do that, then I'll have to map the data, which means the already stored information which is there in Pabbly Connect after the connection. So I'm going to find that information. So here as I scroll down, so this is the number that I wish to split. So I have selected the number. Now the separator, here I do not need this plus sign, so I am selecting my separator as plus. Now again, which part do I need? Before plus or after plus? I need it after, so I'm going to write second, then save and send test request. Now as I do that, I have received the desired value. I'm going to go down, again click on connect and select existing connection because the connection has already been set up. And as I do that and come down, again I'm going to select the mobile number. Here is the required number. Now it is asking for the header document, basically the document URL, the brochure URL. For this, I'm going to go to WooCommerce. Here you can see media, and here I'm going to click on library. As I do that, this is the library and I have to select a document. So let's say I have selected this particular document. Now on the right hand side, you can see a link. So you are going to copy this URL, go back to your Pabbly form, and here you have to paste this. Now once done, now here you have to give a name to your header document. So let's give it a name, hair transplant form or document. Now the body field, basically I have to write the name. So I'm again going to map the data, and full name was demo name. Then the name of the company. So let's say the company name is Pabbly Connect. And then the website, so it is www.pabbly.com. so this is it, and I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here I have received the response. Now this is a positive response. Now what does this mean? This means that now I should have received a message on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp desktop application. So here you can see that we have received the response. So we have got the message along with the brochure link. So this integration is totally successful. So now let me take you back, and here let's understand what the entire process was. So I am going to minimize this so that we can discuss this in detail. So basically the first process was we chose Facebook lead ads as our trigger, where we had selected new lead as our trigger event. Then we had connected it with WhatsApp Cloud API. Also, to make sure that the mobile number was in the right format, we had chosen text formatter as another action step where we had split the data. Now this is a 3-step process and it is simple, it is not very tough, but of course the workflow for the same has been attached as a link in the description box. So you can even clone the workflow and then process. So I hope this is very much clear to you. In case of any doubt, you can always write to us.